I'm sure you've heard the news. The English language is full of quirky phrases. Today, let's dive into Speak of the Devil. So, Speak of the Devil is a fun and slightly spooky way to say that someone has appeared just after you've mentioned them. Think about it like this. You're chatting with a friend about how much you miss your buddy Jake. Jake hasn't been around in ages. And then, boom, Jake walks in. You'd say, Speak of the Devil. It's like magic. Or maybe Jake just has great timing. Another example, imagine you're in class and you're talking about how strict your teacher is. Suddenly, the teacher walks in. Speak of the devil, you'd say with a laugh. Remember, it's all in good fun. It doesn't mean the person is actually a devil. It's just a quirky way to point out the coincidence. So next time it happens, impress your friends with your cool English skills. And that's the scoop on Speak of the Devil. Keep practicing, keep learning, and keep having fun. Catch you in the next video. Like and subscribe.